Hi, my amazing planner friends. It's Just for My Magical Planner, and it's subscription day. So this is my Sadie Stickers monthly planner subscription. It does run $25 a month, and it is a weekly kit subscription. She does also have a secondary subscription, which runs around $40. It is more geared towards like journaling and that type of deco. So each month she does put up a kind of vision board showcasing what kind of art and the theme for the month. And this month's theme is gorgeous. Oh my goodness. It has like a swan on it. Here, I'll insert the vision board here. And the ballerina with the swan, it makes me think of Swan Lake, but in the fall. So it's so pretty. Anyhow, let's go ahead and open this up and see what came with this month's kit. See if I cut all the way through there. Of course not. Why would I? I do tend to open her kits this way because the perforation just doesn't like me on the other side. I don't know why. So, and it is October. What is today? The 30th or the 31st? Hold on. It is the 30th. So it's still October. Oh my goodness, look at these musical notes. Oh, that's so pretty. And it is in rose gold this month. Each month the foiling is slightly different. The kit is, I think it's 6 pages. And it has had some recent changes to it. So we'll start with the standard kit. My gosh, look at this box with like the Polaroid, and it has like the little swatches of the different colors there. It says Swan Lake, and you have this musical note, and the swan is foiled down here. I absolutely love the music notes coming out of the piano here. Those are so pretty. And the quote this month says, "Love is like a swan, it glides serenely on." Oh, that's cute. I love this one with the ballerina's tutu and everything out here. And then you have the ballerina practicing there in the background. You have the music box with the classic ballerina on it. You have the wardrobe with this foil lamp. And then, of course, some beautiful florals as well. I think this is probably my favorite box, though. And then, of course, we have some swatches down here. Then we have our boxes page. So we have our circles, our ovals, our squares, our mini boxes, the 2 different types. We have 3rd boxes and 4th boxes. And I love these boxes with like the little bit of foiling on them. I think they're so pretty. And these ones where it's a uniform box, but because of the coloring, it looks really like almost like painted on. Then we have our functional page, and oh my goodness, look at these dividers with the musical notes. So pretty. And then this is just, it's floral dividers, and then you have these tiny lace dividers, which I absolutely adore. So pretty. And those are in a beautiful pink. These are more of a like purpley color here. Then we have some circle swatches, some square swatches, and more kind of rectangular swatches there. We have this paper here. Love this one with the little paper clip. I think that's so cute. And then we have some torn paper elements. I love the craft paper feel and the layering you could do with these. I keep thinking, and maybe I'll try it with this kit, but you could layer this one and then layer this kind of on top of it a little bit lower. And I think that might be really interesting. Anyhow. Then we have our washi here. Look at how, oh, hold it this way. Look at how gorgeous this is. But I really love this washi here. I want someone to come out with that on a roll. I would totally buy it in all the different foils because it just, it's so pretty, and it's just so pretty and elegant. And we have all the different notes, and then you have like these little dots with it too. So pretty. And then we have some skinny dividers here, And then we have, this is actually 2 pieces here of this trim, which is so, so pretty. And then we have our day headers here, as well as some deco down here in the corner, which is really nice. I love the size of this deco. Then we have our actual deco page, which has some larger deco, just for comparison's sake. So you can kind of see, like, here's the dress, and here it is again, bigger. And then we have like some torn paper, it looks like there. The music box missing the ballerina. Did we have a ballerina on the foil sheet? Just curious. No. I was like, maybe we can put a ballerina, but you could put this ballerina on top of there, or this one. That might be cute. And then we have the grand piano, the comb, the point shoes, and all of these little florals. You know, I want to say that Letters to Apollo had some florals that would also match this. And we also have this little doily here that's kind of cute too, in the pearls. So, so pretty. And then here is our floral deco page. Lots of little bits this month. So we have like single flowers in here, and then you have the bouquets, and we have some with, you know, the ribbon in them, and some without. Some are bigger and some are smaller, and you can always use some of these odds and ends to make one of these bigger, or to make your own cluster. And then you also have the trims on each side. Love the trims. Ooh, then we have alcohol swatches. Did we have alcohol swatches last month? I don't think we did. I think this is a new page. Am I wrong, guys? I'm going to have to go back and look. But I love that she included them. So we have alcohol ink swatches here, and we have like little ones, and we have large ones in all the different coordinating colors for the kit. So, so fun. Then our final page is her official journaling page. So you have another Monday through Sunday here. You have some torn page type elements. You have some full page elements. Love, love the stamps. Perfection. We have some little swatches here. Now I like these ones. I haven't quite figured out what to do with these tinier ones, although they might work well for just a little pop of color behind something. So still need to play around with those. It's fairly new. So this one I really like for like up in the corner for the monthly script, or if you have an event that's multiple days, putting it over the 2 days, that kind of thing. And then these are like washi tapes here. And then we have just a little bit of deco there and some arches here. And then our final little page here is the foil sampler. So we get another line of that trim with the musical notes, which is so, so pretty. Then we have some smaller versions of it here. We have individual musical notes through this part, and then the kind of staffs of different musical notes. I wonder if they're actual parts of Swan Lake. I don't know. And then we also have all of these little musical note clusters. I especially like this one right here. It seems so artistic. And then we have a couple of little clusters of just dots. We have these little like paper snowflakes, and then we have all of these swans down here at the bottom, which are so pretty. So that's everything in this month's kit. It is so, so pretty. It's still available on her website if you like it. I think it stays up until the first of the next month, so maybe tomorrow's or today is going to be the last day for it, but I'm not positive. So anyhow, that's everything I have for today. If you like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down there. Until next time, I'll see you guys real soon.